Three-phase converter is a device that changes single-phase alternating current, or AC power, into three-phase AC power. Three-phase power is often used in industrial and commercial settings because it can deliver more power and with better efficiency compared to single-phase power. When it comes to converting from single-phase to three-phase, there are typically two types of phase converters to consider: rotary converters and static converters. Rotary converters use a rotating motor to create the additional phases that are needed to achieve three-phase power. These are generally more efficient and reliable than static converters. Static converters, on the other hand, use electronic components to generate the additional phases. These are typically smaller and less expensive than rotary converters. There are a few key benefits to using three-phase power for electrically driven motors. 1. Higher efficiency. Three-phase motors tend to be more efficient than single-phase motors. This means they use less energy to produce the same amount of power. 2. Reduced torque ripple. Three-phase motors provide a smoother torque output, which can reduce vibration and noise in certain applications. 3. Increased power density. Three-phase motors can deliver more power in a smaller size compared to single-phase motors. Dairy farms usually use a large amount of electricity to operate equipment such as milking machines, refrigeration systems, and other essential systems. By switching from single-phase to three-phase power, these farms have the potential to reduce energy consumption and lower their electricity bills. The actual energy savings that can be achieved by installing a phase converter will depend on a few different factors. These include 1. The efficiency of the phase converter itself. 2. The type and size of equipment being used. And 3. The operating hours of the equipment. However, it is certainly possible for dairy farms to achieve significant savings by using three-phase power. For example, some studies have shown that a dairy farm could potentially save money each year on electricity costs by installing a phase converter. While a home-built phase converter might not be as efficient as a commercially produced model, it's possible that a well-designed converter could reduce the electric bill of a small dairy by converting single-phase power to three-phase power. It's important to keep in mind that the efficiency and overall effectiveness of a phase converter will depend on various factors, and it's always a good idea to consult with a qualified electrician before installing one.